In this video, we will see the creation of the menu to access information about all the planets, created in the form of a contraption, as we saw previously. For our kiosk, we will have a menu at the top of the screen that will give immediate access to any planet. Since it can be shown and hidden at any time, creating it as instances of pictures will not be efficient. For situations like these, we have a type of contraption: interfaces. In the left menu, go to Contraptions and click on Interfaces. Interfaces are sets of graphical elements that can be shown or hidden above the content using actions. These elements can be interactive, triggering actions when clicked. The interfaces have 3 default elements that we won't use for now. Click on the Add Element button and then on the button graphic item that was just created. In the right column, click on the Folder button. We'll create a folder called Menu to organize our media. Upload the file blacksun.png. Select it and click on Select File. In addition to the file, the element has other properties, such as the action to be performed, which we will leave blank for now, and the position, which is relative to the point where the interface will be positioned in the scene. For this picture, we will use x-50 and y-25. After these adjustments, click on Set Element. Now let's add a new element containing the Mercury button. The process for uploading the picture is the same, positioning the image at x143 and y10. These values are defined when creating your layout. The next element to add is the Venus button. Here, in addition to the position at x145 and y39, we will also adjust the rotation of the image to 11 degrees. Rotations in Tealbussy are always made from the top left corner of the media. Note that if you click on a button element, its properties are shown again in the right column, allowing you to adjust them if necessary. Since our menu interface has a lot of elements, it's a good idea to save it as we configure it. To do this, name it Black Sun and click Add/Update Interface. You'll see the interface appear in the Registered Interfaces list. Click Save Current Interface Settings to save it. You can return to a contraption at any time to edit it. Let's do this by returning to the Interface Editing window. Click on Black Sun in the list, and then click on Load Interface. You'll see that our previous work has been loaded, and we can pick up where we left off. Let's add the Earth button to the interface. Use the X position as 140 and Y as 68. As rotation, use 23 degrees. Let's save our interface once again. Note that if the name is kept, when clicking on Add/Update Interface, the one with the same name in the registered list will be replaced with the current values. Click on Save Current Interfaces Settings. Let's go back to editing our interface one last time. Now, add the buttons for the remaining planets. The positions and rotations for each of them are in the description of this video. Once you've added them all, save your adjustments. Interfaces are displayed through actions, just like backgrounds. Let's go back to the Movie Properties window and add a new action to the beginning of the movie. You can include as many actions as you want in your interactions. They are executed in the order listed. The interface display action is also within the contraptions group, show an interface. It requires 3 parameters. First, we will indicate the name of the interface, Black Sun. Then, the position on the screen where it should be displayed, which in our case is the X and Y points 0. All the position values that we give to the elements are counted from this origin of the interface. Now let's test our scene one more time. Notice that the menu appears in the top left corner of the screen. In this video we learned how to create a reusable interface in our movie. In the next one we will start to assemble the screens with information about the planets.